के बादलों की जाली के पीछे से गाड़ी चांदनी है मुझको इतना, लेकिन नूर सारा चांद मेरा यही पे है छुपा छुपा हुआ। इश्क वाला love. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me hear you scream if you want some more. Like push it, watch me work it. I'm perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me hear you scream if you want some more. Like push it. I'm perfect.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so
I love nature. Brighten and clear the skin.
The best thing we learned about skincare in modeling school is this mask right here. This is your fastest way to clear your skin, especially if you have hormonal acne, active acne. You're just looking for a way to maintain your clear skin. So you're gonna take about a half a cup of oats and blend them. I like to blend them to make it more of a gentle exfoliant. And then you're going to combine that with manuka honey, however much you prefer for the texture that you'd like on your face. So the reason this is so good, the oats in here absorb excess oil from your skin. Excess oil is what's in hormonal acne and a lot of breakouts. On top of that, when you wash this off, the oats will act as an exfoliant, and gentle exfoliation is always a great option in treating acne. Overall, just treating the skin to allow new skin to come through faster. And then we know honey is our antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, which is helping treat the current acne on your face while preventing further breakouts. This just has so many benefits for your skin, so I continue to do it all the time.
How I love being a woman. Gotta be a real man. Would you hold it down and take it off? I gave you a chance.